What is up? We're back at the lake beds. Why are we here? In all seriousness, we're back. We're at the lake beds today. We have an interesting video idea that we're gonna do. We're gonna launch a Chinese spy balloon into the air and we're gonna take it down with our drones. Sounds pretty cool, huh? We got Zoe, we got Helium Tank, we got this guy, the mastermind behind the plans.
It's a shit show, to be honest.
We got this guy. We picked him up on the side of the road because he was down for the idea.
Yeah, I was actually underneath the freeway bridge, and I was looking for some stuff.
What do you think about this?
It didn't look like I was struggling.
We got all the gear. We got batteries, drones. We got All right, so we're hiding behind the car right now because I don't want anybody to hear this. But I don't think this is gonna go well at all. I really think that this is gonna fail. We'll see.
It really is.
We'll see.
I more was getting out the way so I could land.
It is really hot out for being 60 degrees. Like this is shitty. My quad stopped working yesterday when I tried flying it at a church. It just started fail-safing when I armed it. So now I fixed it, and now we're gonna fly a pack in the lake beds.
Bro, we got a giant condom. Look at this. This is amazing.
Sink.
And you already filled it up.
No, it's got a long way to go, dude. This is...
Oh, it gets bigger?
Yeah, it gets a lot bigger.
That's what she said.
You got a lot more.
It's like supposed to get 3 times as bigger than this. And the canister already sounds like it's running low, so... Holy shit, that balloon's so fucking big. Dude, that looks freaking nutty. Yo. There's some dude flying a plane over there. I kind of want to go chase it. That's a thing?
Yeah.
Gas piston planes exist?
Well,
Yes, this was the thing before the internet and before electronics. Yes, it's called gas.
Oh my... China.
China, 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 China.
Did he hand launch that?
No, he has to have taken off with that. It's huge.
Dude, this is a fucking bomb if I've ever seen one. What is this? This is literally a bomb.
It's a hardware switch on ELRS.
What the fuck?
He's like in a cycle of like non-stop checking if it's still there.
Wait, where'd it go?
Attaching the bomb to the balloon.
All right, payload's on. So how this works is we hit the switch here, servo moves there, makes contact there, sends a little electrical impulse that we're gonna use to pop the balloon.
Well, that's super
Wow.
We can't just let it keep going and let the Chinese gather intel.
This is stupid. All right, we're walking out to let the balloon go. This is such an exciting moment. This is the moment we've waited for all day.
Dude, the longer the line gets, the worse it gets, too.
Well, the line's heavy, so it needs to pick the line up.
There you go.
It just needs to get above the wind.
I need to like not.
Wow, it really took off. This is an incredible victory for us.
You know, I gotta be honest, I really didn't think it was gonna lift, but the fact that it lifts while tethered even is amazing. So as soon as we get rid of that tether, we're good to go. We're fucking good to go. If you guys are still watching and you like this video, go ahead and drop a thumbs up because it took a lot of work to set up this day.
That was your first Chinese spy balloon takedown and many more to come.
Victory!
Wow, in all seriousness, that was pretty fucking cool. That was fun. We got to take down a balloon with our drone. The detonator we had didn't go off, so we had to improvise quickly. So we just used the drone, and it worked out. Well, there you have it. It is that time of the day where we say goodbye to the beautiful Las Vegas desert. If you guys like this video, go ahead and drop a like down below. If you like my content, go ahead and subscribe. Why not? Peace out.